Alright, so this is the control arm for the angle kit. We got 2 stock but extended lower control arms, 2 angle blocks, tie rod sleeves, and then 2 offset control arm bushings. You can compare, this is a stock one, the stock lower control arm. You can see the difference in length. That'll add camber. But we're going to use these offset control arm bushings to correct that, and then these sleeves and the block to get at an angle. Alright, let's go down and throw it on and see how it looks. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking everything apart, but you can see right there, that's what we're rubbing already with stock angle. Besides the rack and 5mm rack spacers, but everything's completely stock. Alright, we're gonna start taking off the tie rod. Leave the bolt on so we can hit it with something to pop it out. Now we'll go ahead and hit it up. Alright, so go ahead and get that bolt off, the tie rod, and then go ahead and loosen that one up as well. Then go ahead and do the same for the other side. Next, we're going to move on to the ball joint. Now we're going to use one of these thingamajigs just to hold down the steering wheel straight before we go ahead and take everything off. Now just to separate the lower control arm from the front assembly. Separate it from the strut. Now to separate it from the car. back up later in the nighttime after we've picked up new ball joints. We weren't able to source them, but we're here now. Let's go ahead and put everything back together. Here's the control arm fully assembled with the offset control arm bushing over there and the new ball joints. So go ahead and put it on. Also, these are the extended slash new tie rods. They're fully threaded, infinitely adjustable. Also, when you're doing work like this, you do not forget the Loctite. This is imperative. You need to have it. Not bad shit will happen. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First, let's get some Loctite on these. Why not? So this is the angle block itself. Obviously you have the tie rod there and then the extended control arm. We're going to go ahead and torque these down. So the one on the left, what we're going to do goes up to 65 foot-pounds, and then I believe the bottom one as well goes to around 70. So let's get started. Alright, so now the block's on. About torque down. We're going to go ahead and attach the spindle to the block. As you can see, this is the original ball joint point. We're moving it over. The original tie rod point, we're moving it over. Should help us get around 50 degrees of angle. Tie rod sleeves, the angle block, and the extended control arms. Everything looks good. We'll go ahead and put the wheels and tires on, align it. Alright, so you can see how much added camber these control arms added. Massive, huge. So these are extended by 25 millimeters, which is about an inch.